Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and I am Fiber Fox Studios. Welcome to 13 Days of Halloween, day number 3. Believe me, I did look before I got on here, now I just drew a blank, but I want to welcome you. This is a gift exchange that me and Heather, the Crochet Witch, are doing. If you didn't watch the other videos, I sent her 13 gifts. She sent me 13 gifts, and we are opening them. Stay tuned and watch the entire video because there's a part for you to win a free chart set or pattern from my Etsy shop. For those of you who did want to see my wildflowers, these are the ones that are blooming real well right here behind me. I am holding the camera directly out in front of me, and as you can see, and I lift, they are far taller than me and right above my head. That is a very large wildflower that has not bloomed yet. I am 5'6" for reference. It's much taller than me, double really. So we're going to get started on the gift opening first, and then I will do the winner draw for the giveaway from yesterday, and we'll wrap it up with a couple little videos I took of Ola Joe, the chicken, the chick, not the human, not the person, not the channel, but you can check her channel out. I'll link it below. And yeah, I took a couple little videos of them and told you a little bit about the drama that's going on up at the coop. So we'll get into that at the end of the video for those of you who aren't interested at all. So let's open the gift from Heather. Okay, we came over to my backup grill because I didn't have anywhere to set the camera. So I could use my hands to open day 3. All right, so yesterday I got seeds. I don't know what today is. Oh, it's cute. I can tell. Oh, no. Y'all, we are so doing this. They're arms for the chickens. I don't know if you've seen this online before, but you place these arms like over their back, and so it looks like they have arms, you know, when they're running around. We are so doing this. They're skeleton arms, by the way. I don't know if you can see in the bag so well, but they look like skeleton arms to me. So these are so Halloween-y. So guess what? I'm gonna have to go back up and get a chicken to let me put arms on it. Because we have to see that, right? I have to see it. Thank you, Heather. I absolutely love my chicken arms. It's going to go so good when I make them all shawls. So now we're going to be doing the giveaway. I'm going to do the draw real quick. I'll try not to look down too much. We know how I can be, though. I do have to look at what I'm doing to pull it up. So I've got our URL already copied. I'm going to paste it in. And I don't know if y'all will be able to see, but that's the URL for yesterday's video. I'm not filtering duplicate users or anything like that. We're not doing any of that. And let me do the capsatia thing real quick, or however you say it. I have no idea how to pronounce that. We're going to get our comments. And we have 21 comments. Hopefully y'all can see. And we're going to start it. So let's see who comes up. La 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 la. And we have a winner, Donna G. You are a winner. Congratulations. So all you need to do is email me. I'll make sure all of my info is down in the description box. It is just fiberfoxstudios@gmail.com. So the channel name all together @gmail.com. But I'll put it down there for you. And for everyone else, you can comment anything that you would like on this video and in the comments on this video. And tomorrow we will draw another winner. So it is any chart set or the one written pattern that I have from my Etsy shop. it's totally up to you. You go and pick what you want. You email me and say, I'm the winner, I won, and this is the one I would like, and then I will send it off to you right away. And now I am going to end this part of the video and go up and get a chicken and put some arms on it. So you will now be seeing chicken wearing arms, a Ola Joe chicken, and a little bit of chicken love triangle drama in this next part. So if you're not interested in that stuff, then bye for now and see you next time. Hopefully you come for tomorrow's video. If I could talk, I'm excited about these chicken arms. Like, this has just made my day. Cannot wait. So I'm going to do all that into the video next, and stay tuned, or thank you for watching, and bye for now. This is Ola Joe. She is in my little spot that I can drop treats into the enclosure without having to walk in. I opened it up, and she, of course, had to come hop right up here, and she would really like to get out, but you want to come with me today? You want to come work with me? Huh, sweet girl? Yeah, you come work. Get it all done. She loves belly rubs, so she will like totally scoot down and just let me rub that belly. And she also likes her chin rubbed a little bit. She's very, very sweet, and as you can see with her turning her head, you can kind of see her hairdo is starting to show. And she's got the cutest hairdo. Okay, y'all. So this is Aretha Franklin, and these are her arms. I'm going to put her down. So, sweet girl. It was like, what are you putting on me? Like, she wasn't so into it. But now that they're on, she seems fine. So I'm going to put her down so we can see. So hopefully she'll walk the direction I want her to. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, she's trying to get them off. Y'all can't see. She got them off. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, attempt 2 at letting y'all see Aretha Franklin, the chicken, with her skeleton arms. And she is seriously like, why is this on me? It's okay, girl. I'm so sorry. We'll take it off in just a minute. I promise. Okay, so the experiment of setting her down just did not pan out. She got them off like pretty much immediately. So at least you did get to see them when they were being held. Hopefully that made you laugh a little bit. It sure made me laugh. So thank you again to Heather for my chicken arms. I'll keep trying them on different chickens, maybe different ones. You know, maybe Aretha's just not into skeleton arms. But like maybe Pinecone is, or maybe Patsy Cline is, or Dolly Parton. You know, you never know. So I'll just keep trying different chickens, you know, over the next few days, and see if I can figure out who is going to be the wearer of the chicken arms. And then I'll make another video of it if I can show them like running with the arms on or something. So here we have Pinecone, who started out as the favorite for Mr. Ray Ray El Diablo Meanie Pants. And she is absolutely in love with Ray Ray. Adores him, no matter how bad he treats her. So I'm really working on her self-esteem issues. So our focus with her has really been self-worth, self-care, self-love, knowing what you deserve, and accepting nothing but the best for yourself. And I think that with a little bit more time, she will get there, and this will not be, you know, such an issue for her. But she's heartbroken right now, so please keep her in your thoughts as she goes through this very trying time. As far as I know, this is the first time that she has ever been dumped, and it's difficult. Y'all know how hard that first breakup is. So she's, you know, her feathers are not looking quite as pretty, you know, at the tail and stuff. She's kind of looking frazzled, but you would too. Come over here, girl. I can see you better. There you go. You would too if you had, you know, just gone through what she's gone through. She was head chicken. She was top hen. And now, just literally because she is older than the others, she's been replaced by a pack of younger women. And she's very, you know, distraught by it, as you can tell. And then she's got her moral support buddy, Winona, here. And so they're together. You know, Winona really didn't care because she's a strong, independent woman. And she doesn't need no man. So she was like, fine, you don't want me? Okay, no problem. I'll just move on with my life. Meanwhile, this one right here is just like, why don't you love me? Why? And, you know, feeling down about it. So we'll keep working on it, though. I think I can get her there. And before long, she will be back to her old spry self and taking charge and knowing who's the boss. So right now, that's where we're at. Ray Ray has chosen the 10 younger girls. And these 2 ladies are just left out here in the cold. So it's a saga. And nobody warned me. Nobody warned me about all the drama and the days of the chicken lives and stuff. It's like a soap opera out here. But, you know, I think they landed on the right farm, you know, for this type of thing. I'm going to be there for them and, you know, help them through and support them through this very tough time. I mean, all of us been dumped before. And, you know, we're going to get back out there and we're going to find her a new man.